If you're ready to finally launch that successful business you've been dreaming about for years, you're in the right place. Global e-commerce sales are expected to reach $58.74 trillion by 2028, which is a significant increase from previous years. The number of online shoppers is projected to reach 2.77 billion worldwide this year, with a 2.7% annual growth rate, and the global spending is expected to increase by 6%, with an additional $3.2 trillion spent compared to 2024. These days, the majority of e-commerce is happening on our phones. Mobile e-commerce revenue is projected to reach $728.28 billion this year, driven by increasing smartphone usage and convenience. So what does that all mean? Well, it's time to have some skin in the game. And on the internet, you can literally sell anything. That's legal, of course. Don't be doing something shady and blame it on me. If the feds come, I am deleting this video and claiming plausible deniability. Generally, I recommend always considering your own interests and expertise when choosing a product or service because it A, makes things more fun and enjoyable for you, and B, adds authenticity because you're truly passionate about it and because you may already have some background knowledge. However, in case you still need some inspiration, here are 20 examples of high demand products to sell on your Shopify store. And yes, all of these ideas are legal. Kicking things off with the technology category, smartwatches remain a top seller, especially among fitness enthusiasts with devices tracking steps, heart rate, sleep, and other fitness metrics. Gotta get in those steps. Wireless headphones and earbuds that connect to devices via Bluetooth for exercising, traveling, or even working remote in public spaces always come in clutch. I myself recently made this purchase and thought I was late to the audiophile game, but apparently it's just getting started. Bluetooth trackers are also gaining popularity as a solution for finding lost items quickly via smartphone apps. The most embarrassing thing is when you're looking for your phone, but it's in your hand. We've all been there. Don't pretend like you haven't done that. Portable chargers for smartphones and tablets, because as much as they claim these new models have longer battery life, somehow we still seem to drain our batteries before the end of the day. Smart home devices like thermostats, light bulbs, speakers, and security cameras that can be controlled with a smartphone or voice assistant like Alexa or Google Home. Book talk is all the rage right now. If you know, you know. So ebooks for those who are environmentally conscious, and if you are health conscious, blue light glasses filter out blue light, which can help to reduce eye strain while looking at screens all day and ultimately improve sleep. Speaking of sleep, stay with me because in this next section, I am going to blow your mind over an interesting sleep accessory. This next category is my personal fave, fitness, health, and wellness. This year, we are going to be seeing an increased demand in sustainable, eco-friendly products as well as health and wellness products due to changing consumer preferences and lifestyle shifts. People are prioritizing their well-being and getting even more eco-conscious and health-conscious, so home fitness equipment like resistance bands, yoga mats, weights, and other equipment for home workout. Reusable water bottles. Yes, I am aware of the Stanley Cup phenomenon, but they're not for everyone. Don't at me. There is a big market for reusable water bottles that functionally keep liquids cold or hot for a long period of time, but also aesthetically come in a wide variety of colors or patterns. Supplements like vitamins and minerals. Probiotics, functional medicine, and digestive health have emerged as large trends within the health and wellness sector. However, if you are interested in creating a Shopify store dedicated to selling supplements, you'll need to consult the FDA or country-specific regulatory body. Okay, this one is interesting. Sleep accessories. People are really starting to get serious about their sleep, so I'm talking anti-snoring devices, sound machines, eye masks, humidifiers and air purifiers, blackout curtains, and memory foam pillows. But the biggest plot twist? Mouth tape. This is real. According to some studies, sleeping with your mouth open reportedly leads to dental problems, teeth grinding, snoring, heart problems, and get this, it changes the shape of your face due to poor jaw alignment. Disclaimer, I have tried mouth tape, and while I was fine, I have had friends who woke up in the middle of the night freaking out, so, just be careful. Don't say I didn't warn you. Our next category is beauty and fashion, makeup and skincare products. The beauty and personal care category is still a reliable moneymaker and a great choice for anyone looking to sell in-demand products. Shoppers are always searching for innovative, high-quality items that boost their appearance and well-being. Hair products. Selling hair products online can be incredibly lucrative due to the growing demand for diverse and specialized hair care solutions. With consumers increasingly seeking products tailored to their specific hair types and concerns, there's a vast market to tap into. Additionally, the rise of social media and influencer marketing has made it easier to reach potential customers, driving interest and sales. Plus, the beauty industry tends to have high margins, making makeup, skincare, and hair products not just popular, but also profitable for online sellers. Sustainable clothing and accessories. Again, people are being a lot more environmentally conscious, so eco-friendly clothing made from organic cotton and recycled materials can be appealing to some. And while we are on the topic of clothes, print-on-demand items. Create personalized t-shirts with fun memes or designs, and fun fact, you can use AI to search what's trending on social media to get ideas for popular memes or quotes to print on shirts. Think very demure, very mindful. There are a number of print-on-demand companies to choose from. All you gotta do is find one that has the types of products and quality you are looking for. And the final trending category, home and lifestyle. Honestly, this one makes the most sense. There will always be a market for baby and toddler-related products like diapers, wipes, and other essentials because parents are busy and tired. The last thing they wanna do, and probably don't have time for, is to drive to the store for supplies. And hey, shout out to all the new parents watching this video right now. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Educational toys that help children learn and develop their skills. On Amazon, the toys and games category tops the list as one of the best performing product categories as parents look for engaging activities to keep their children occupied, especially during holiday seasons. Next one is probably my checking account's least favorite category because I spend the most money on it. Toys, beds, treats, and other essentials for your pet. Dog and cat, mom and dads, your parents too. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Last but not least, you can build a Shopify business for drop shipping products. This is sort of an umbrella idea for all the other ideas I've given you, but if you're thinking about starting an online store, drop shipping is a super easy way to get your feet wet. Basically, it lets you sell products without having to worry about holding inventory or handling shipping yourself. You sell items for another company and they ship them directly to your customers. It's so easy, it should low-key be a crime. Here are some tips to kick things off. Number 1, find reliable suppliers. Make sure they can get products to customers on time. Number 2, stand out. Think about how to make your brand unique compared to others selling similar stuff. And number 3, check out trends. Look for popular products like all the ones I have listed in today's episode to inspire what you want to sell. You can drop ship just about anything. Plus, if you use Shopify, setting it all up is a breeze. Don't have a Shopify account yet? No worries, I have dropped a link down below for a free trial. And once that's over, your first month is only $1. Okay, now that we've covered the best products to sell on Shopify, I've got some bonus tips and fun facts for you. Let's talk about shopper trends because understanding consumer behavior and preferences is key to your business being successful. First, personalized shopping. There is an increasing demand for personalized experiences. Our phones listening to us isn't as creepy as it used to be, but let's just say my Siri needs to sign an NDA. Consumers have embraced targeted marketing and tailored recommendations based on their browsing history and past orders. So leveraging data analytics and using AI-powered tools, you can get insights on individual shopping habits and deliver customized experiences for your audience. Personally, I've become way too overwhelmed with the hundreds of options on one website when I'm shopping for an outfit, and I have found the For You, or more like this sections to be so useful. It's kind of like having your own personal shopper who you don't have to talk to. And second, M-commerce and S-commerce. We've all heard of e-commerce, but have you heard of M-commerce and S-commerce? E-commerce is constantly evolving, and in order for your business to thrive, you must stay ahead of emerging trends. One significant trend is the rise of mobile commerce or M-commerce. So let's face it, our phones are practically glued to our hands, so it's no surprise that shopping on mobile phones is booming. If your store isn't optimized for those tiny screens, you're missing out on a huge chunk of customers. Additionally, and this one is my personal favorite, there is a growing popularity of social commerce or S-commerce, which has opened up so many more opportunities for businesses to reach customers directly through social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Doom scrolling your Instagram or TikTok feed and see something you love? Well, guess what? You can usually buy it right then and there and not have to leave the app to buy a product you see and want. Social media is becoming a shopping mall, so get your store in on the action. And finally, forecasting product demands and identifying market opportunities are so important to the success of a business. By regularly conducting market research and using predictive analytics, you can position your business to capitalize on these emerging trends to stay ahead of the curve and ahead of your competition. In another video we recently posted, we shared how you can use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to analyze market trends, customer needs, or gaps in the market to generate a lightning bolt business idea by prompting it with a question like, what are the top trending products or services on the market right now? Since the AI tool is analyzing the current market trends in real time during your search, your results will always vary a bit. All right, now that I've given you 20 winning product ideas and gave you some extra insight on trending consumer behavior and preferences, it's time for you to spread your wings, go out there and make money. All of these ideas that I listed today highlight consumer shifts toward convenience, health, sustainability, and multifunctional fashion. Businesses capitalizing on these trends can thrive by leveraging social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and e-commerce platforms like Shopify to reach wider audiences efficiently. Bonus tip: building a successful Shopify store for your trending product is a very important step, and Google Trends can help you vet your idea's trend potential. But at the end of the day, if you are looking for a business idea and aren't sure what to sell on Shopify, the answer really is almost anything. While I mostly discussed physical products, you can also sell services, memberships, tickets, and digital goods. And remember, consumers are wanting a personalized shopping experience. Mobile and social media shopping is where it's at, and AI is your best friend when it comes to analyzing market trends, customers' needs, and gaps in the market to help you come up with those light bulb ideas. So what are you waiting for? Start that business, set up a Shopify store, and start selling products or whatever your heart desires today. And once you choose your winning product to build a business around, what's your next step? Well, we've got plenty of videos for you on Learn with Shopify that give you simple, actionable advice that takes the guesswork out of starting and growing an online business, like how to make more sales on Shopify, how to run meta ads for Shopify, and 10 amazing AI tools for your business you won't believe exist. And that's just scratching the surface. So make sure to like and subscribe to Learn with Shopify so you never miss any of these super awesome educational videos. I'm your host, Kylie Marr. Peace out.